Assalamu alaikum. Principal sir, I request your permission to start our presentation. Thank you, sir. A presentation organized by Laboratory Medicine Session 2024 to 2025 IMT student. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining our today's session. Let us to introduce ourselves. I am Mosammad Fatima Khatun Rupa. I am a student of Proha Institute of Medical Technology, Department of Laboratory Medicine. Our team members are Khadijatul Kubra, Aisha Tarjaya, Mosammad Sadia Khatun, Mohammad Nahid. Today, we are going to be discuss about blood grouping. Content: Introduction, Principle of blood group, Lancaster law, relationship between ABO antigen and antibody, ABO blood system, universal donor and recipient, material required, ABO blood grouping procedure, ABO typing techniques, slide grouping, interpretation of result, need of blood grouping, mismatch of blood transfusion. The expert of our presentation, present by our teammate, Khadijatul Kubra. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rupa, for inviting me, your respectable teacher, and I take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Khadijatul Kubra. I am a student of Tama IMT. My department is Laboratory Medicine. Today's our discussing point is blood grouping. So let's start. First of all, we will learn introduction of blood grouping. Before transfusion of blood to person, it is necessary to determine of the blood. A blood group, also called a blood type. Classification of blood is based on present or absent of inherent antigen substance on the surface of red blood cells. This antigen may be protein, carbohydrate, glycolipids, glycoprotein, or glycolipids, depending on the blood group system. The next topic, principal blood group. ABO system, A, B, AB, or A. RH system, RH positive or RH negative. And other system, M and N system, Lutheran system, Q system, and Pafi system, etc. The next topic is Lancaster law. Blood group were discovered by the Austrian scientist Karl Lancaster in 1901. He was honored with Nobel Prize in 1913 for this discovery. Lancaster law states that the first law is a particular agglutinogen is present on RBCs. Corresponding agglutinin must be absent in serum. The second law, if a particular agglutinogen is absent on RBC, corresponding agglutinin must be present in serum. This law does not apply to RH system. The next presentation will be presented by Jaya. Please continue our presentation. Grateful to you, Khadijatul Kubra, for the invitation. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Tarjaya. I am student of Proha IMT, Department of Laboratory Medicine, Session 2024 and 2025. My first topic is relationship between AB antigen and antibodies. Relationship between AB antigen and antibodies. This case, in case of classical blood group A has antigen A on RBC cell surface according to the second law, presence of antibody B on serum. Blood group B has antigen B on RBC cell surface according to the second law, presence of antibody A on serum. Blood group AB has antigen A and B on RBC cell surface according to the second law, presence of antibody none. Blood group O has antigen none on RBC cell surface according to the second law, presence of antibody A and B. My next topic is the ABO system, ABO blood system. The ABO blood group system classifies human blood into ferment type. There will be A, B, and O based on the presence or absence of specific antigen on RBC. This antigen, along with corresponding antibodies in plasma, determine a person's blood type. This system is crucial for safer blood transfusion and organ transplantation. My next topic is universal donor and recipient. Group A can donate blood to antibody is called universal donor, and Group AB can receive from all others. It's called universal recipient. My last topic is material required. Alcohol pad, blanket, clean glass slide, blood sample, monoclonal antibodies anti-A, anti-B, and anti-D, toothpick, sterile cotton buds, and biohazard disposal. The respect of our presentation present by our team member Sadia. Thank you so much for inviting me, Aisha Joya. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Sadia Khatun. I am a student of Brahma Institute of Medical Technology, Department of Laboratory Medicine, session 2024 to 2025. I explain my topic, AB of blood grouping procedures. At the beginning of the blood grouping process, I clean the patient's hand with alcohol swab. A blood sample should be collected on a slide by hand, picking through a lancet. Then, add the monoclonal antibody, anti-A, anti-B, and anti-D. Then, mixed with a toothpick. Wipe the hands with a sterile cotton bud. Use blood grouping. Monitors should be disposed of in biohazard disposal containers for the safety of yourself and others. So next topic, ABO typing techniques. ABO typing is a blood test that determines an individual blood type based on the presence or absence of specific antigens on RBCs. Your blood sample is mixed with antibodies against type A and B blood. Then the sample is checked to say whether or not the blood cells stick together. If blood cells stick together, it means the blood reacted with one of the antibodies. My next topic, slide grouping. On a slide grouping, on a slide put 3 drops of blood, a drop of blood, anti-A, anti-B, and anti-D. Using a stick, mix the blood with the reagent in a circular motion. Then swirl the slide or put in a rotator, check for agglutination. It visible with mixed neck eyes as a reddish clump. The rest part of our presentation presented by our team member Muhammad Nahid.
Thank you, Sadia, for your gracious invitation. I truly appreciate it. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Nahid. I am a student of Trauma IMT Department Laboratory, season 2024-2025. Let's begin my topic. My first topic is interpretation of result. Anti-D indicates RS factor. Positive if agglutination occurs. If agglutination not occurs, it indicates RS factor negative. My next topic is need of blood grouping. Blood donation. Blood group testing is essential for blood donation, ensuring that donated blood can be used by safely those who need it. Pregnancy. In certain cases, RS factor incompatibility between mother and baby can cause complication, making blood typing crucial for pregnant women. Medical procedure and treatment. Blood group information is used in various medical procedures, including organ transplant and some cancer treatments, to ensure compatibility and effectiveness. My next topic is mismatch of blood transfusion. A mismatch of blood transfusion occurs when a patient receives blood that is not compatible with their own blood type, leading to a potentially life-threatening immunoreaction. If a person does mismatch transfusion, then various symptoms can appear on his body, such as result of blood transfusion, fever, allergic reaction, circulatory overload, hemorrhagic transfusion reaction, thrombophlebitis, blood embolism, transmission of disease, renal failure, post-transfusion purpura, etc. Thank you, Principal Sir. Thank you, Course Coordinator Sir. Thank you, class teacher and lecturer and admin officer of Trauma Institute. Is there any question or comment, sir? Thank you everyone for keeping patient and listening our presentation. Thank you.